Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So Google has integrated NotebookLM and Gemini through a shared notebook system, allowing you to use your NotebookLM research directly inside Gemini conversations. This means Gemini can answer questions using the sources stored in your notebook instead of relying only on general knowledge and web search. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add a NotebookLM notebook to Gemini app in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, create a notebook in NotebookLM. Like open NotebookLM and create a notebook, for example, research project, school course, business reports, YouTube content research. Okay, so add your sources before connecting the notebook. So a notebook becomes your project's knowledge base. Then add sources to the notebook, like upload relevant materials such as PDF websites, notes, research papers. So better sources create better Gemini responses. Then open the Gemini app. Okay, so go to Gemini, launch Gemini on the web or mobile app. Make sure you are signed into the same Google account that contains your NotebookLM notebook. Using the same account is essential. Okay, start a new chat, like open new conversation with Gemini. This is where you will attach your NotebookLM notebook as a source for the chat. Notebooks can be attached to specific conversations, so click the plus icon here, or add attachments. Okay, so attachments button. So near the chat box, click the dots or add files, attachments icons. So the exact label may vary depending on your device and app version. Okay, so this opens Gemini sources selection menu. So select NotebookLM, like from the available source options, choose NotebookLM. Gemini will display notebooks associated with your account. Choose the notebook and select the notebook you want Gemini to use, for example, biology exam, notes, marketing research, so on and so on. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.